Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Keypad phone can open a browser or a lightweight YouTube client. You want working mobile data or Wi-Fi and some free storage. Once done, unlock the phone, open the browser, and type YouTube. COM or select the app. Use the numeric keypad to move the cursor and press the center key to submit. This first step gets you into YouTube's interface quickly, so you can search and play videos without unnecessary setup delays. Now perform a search. Enter your query with T9 or multi-tap and press the center key to submit. You use 0 for space and long press if needed. After results load, navigate with directional keys to highlight thumbnails. Pressing the center key opens a video. Make sure to open the player menu to set video quality lower for better playback on slow connections, and use the keypad volume keys to adjust sound. Doing this reduces buffering and gives a smoother viewing experience. To finish playback and control settings, use the center key to pause or play and left/right to seek. Open player options for captions or quality. If a video stalls, lower quality or clear the browser cache and reload the page. Restarting the browser often fixes freezing. Make sure you sign into your account to access subscriptions and playlists. If typing is slow on the keypad, consider a simple password manager or note to speed logins. If problems persist, reboot the phone once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.